everything what we do.
We look that we can save the village. It's our job. And yesterday I think it was good work and so we do it
Save the village.
same.
Save the village yesterday with
And thank you for the military, for the police to help us. This is very good for us because we come from Austria and we do not know the land and the streets and so.
only together.
Yes, we will do our best in the night. Tonight, a team from Austria will come with the aeroplane and will come tomorrow. One people go in this night to Austria, but the other team will come. So we will stay how long you need us.
Thank you.
Okay.
Excuse me, can we make a photo with you?
Yes, of course. I can come there.
Ja, ja. Sorry. Zahnbader verstehen.
Very much. It's easier when we know that you are here, looking you how you are organized. We are calling very
Okay. Grima geldi.
Yes, difficult situation. That is most exposed one. Hoping that the wind will really Idemo malo koji vas. Благодарности за sve što pravite.
Yes.
Together?
And this the guys from
Yes, yes, please.
Evo do ovamo da vidi me.
All together, site zajedno.
So, one moment. No.
Just the moment.
Bravo, Olivia,